Yeah, we got a Ford Thunderbird. I think we've seen this one before. This might be a different one. Got some rubber. That needs fixed. What's the recipe for this one? $27.50 on this. SC model, 2.3 supercharged. I think we did see this one before. Needs the light. Needs some lights. Needs a good painting, some body work. We still got the Porsche. PT Cruiser. I've seen the PT Cruiser before. Got some rust on it. Leather seats. Needs a good body work too, some good painting. Y'all don't got no price on the PT Cruiser. Then of course we got the Camaro over here. This is what I came for. That thing is clean. It says it's a V8 350 clean nice 8500. 500 on the car, on the Camaro. Damn, that thing is clean. Got the T-tops. And it's an automatic too. It's automatic. That's what I like right there. That is clean. What y'all think about the Camaro? Pretty clean, huh? Got a camper. There's pickup trucks in the face. Now that's old school right there. There's somebody living that thing. Y'all look at that. Yeah, y'all remember these cars? Like, does somebody work here? Like, nobody ever be here. Y'all see? I don't even know who owns these. Like, they're just like abandoned because they don't cut any of the grass. Like, hold on, what does that say right there?
It says nothing.
Somebody drew something on the wall. What the heck does it say? Damn, they got an old Volkswagen there. This shit looks abandoned like a mother. Employees. Okay. They got a carport right there, like, yo. Who owns these cars? They like abandoned. They're abandoned.
I still remember at the time that you said abandonment.
I know, I said it like 1,000 times. There's a porta potty over there. Abandoned. It's like, let me stop. I probably should have went the other way because this looks very rocky. Oh, it is very rocky, y'all. Oh goodness, let me turn around. Dang, they got chairs and stuff sitting out there like, yo. What the heck? Oh, I can go out that way. I'll keep going. There's no number to get a hold of people. I don't know if, like, the people on the other side on it or what. That's like ready to put a warehouse right there. I don't know. Strange. Good gracious. Oh, y'all, it is very bumpy. Very bumpy. Yeah, somebody's truck like broke down right there. I like this area back here though. Even though it looks abandoned, like those warehouses. Those warehouses back there, that space would have been perfect for us. Oh my. And you're gonna be hot in a minute.
It's hot.
No?